Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prajita Lokhande. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies and my subject is Business Research Methodology. My topic is Research Design. So let's proceed. In my presentation, the content is Meaning of Research Design, Need for and Importance of Research Design, Developing an Appropriate Research Design. Meaning, arrangement of conditions, overall framework of the project, specific master plan or model, blueprint guides the investigators. So let's see the definition. According to the Suchmat, research designing is not a high specific plan to be followed without the deviation, but rather series of guideposts to keep one headed in the right direction. So according to Cook, the research design is the arrangement of conditions for the collection and analysis of data in a manner so that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy in the procedure. So next we will see the needs and importance. So first one is smooth selling of research operation. Second one is stands for advanced planning of the methods. Third one is great bearing or reliability of the results. Fourth one is helps to give directions. Fifth one is helps in design decision making. Sixth one is research design prevent blind searching. And last one is helps researchers to anticipate potential problems in collecting data, etc. Next one is developing research design. So developing research design means, so these are the following points. The choice of appropriate design largely depends on the objective of the research and how much it known about the problem and its objectives. So there are the three traditional kinds of research design. So first one is explorative, second one is descriptive, and third is hypothesis. So we will see. So in case of exploratory research, so the main objective will be a major emphasis is on discovery of ideas and insight. So in such studies, the sample size is very small. Data required are vague. The objective is general rather than the specific, and the non-probability sampling designs are used in it. So these are the exploratory research. So next move in case of descriptive. So in this, the main objective will be the describing characteristics of individual or group. So in such studies, the data collected may related to the respondents under the study, and then the research has specific objective and the findings are definite. So this comes under the in case of the descriptive. Next one is we will see in case of hypothesis testing. So here the main objective will be the researcher tests the hypothesis of the causal relationship between the variables. So in such studies, it will be the control the influence of one variable on another dependent variable. So these are the in case of hypothesis testing. Thank you.